Kannan Karnataka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Kannan. 888 toner refill video in English. This is 888 toner printer. I am taking one printout. Actually, the printer powder is over. That's why the printout is very dull. This is knob type toner. You remove knob with the help of a screw. Actually, since it is an compatible, the quality of the plastic is very low. You have some hole in that. You remove that knob with the help of this screw, similar to that shown in the video. This is the other side of the toner. You remove the another knob as shown in the video. In the other side, there is no screw in the toner, so that we can separate the toner into two halves. In the picture, we have to first remove that blue color drum. Take the screw, you push that metal knob and you remove that knob. Now remove the blue color drum gently without damaging that blue paint. Now you can see that black color roller. You remove that black color roller from both the end. Now we have one screw in one end of that toner. You remove that screw. Now you have one more screw in the other end. Remove that screw and you remove that blade which is made of aluminium, because there are some wastage toner inside that toner. You have to remove it off. If possible, remove those toners with the help of blower. Again, place that wiper blade and tighten the screw. Both the ends. You have to place those blade in the space provided. Before that, clean that transparent part of the blade with a cotton cloth without damaging the tip of that transparent area. Now you have to clean that charge roller with a cotton cloth as shown in the picture. Now place that charge roller as before, as shown in the video. Now take that hamp drum, blue color drum, and place it, insert in the hole at the one end and place it at the other end. Both the holes in that half of the toner and the drum has to match. Now take that stainless steel knob and insert that knob in that hole provided. You tighten that drum with that half of the toner. You rotate the drum to clean that drum. You should not clean it with the liquid water or any other liquid, because the paint of the drum will be removed and it may reduce that thickness of the printout. Now open that side cap. You can just pour the toner powder inside that toner cartridge. Now I am closing this knob because we have to check inside that doctor blade whether it's good or not. Now I am opening that one side of that toner cartridge with the help of the screwdriver. Now remove that screwdriver, remove that large cap of the toner. Now remove that magnetic roller shown in the video. Now remove that screw to deattach that doctor blade from the toner. You have to remove screws in both the end. Some doctor blade would be attached to that toner with the help of a paste. If you remove there will be leakage of the toner powder. But here I am removing it to clean that doctor blade. Pour water in a cotton cloth and clean that blade. Remove any toner particles which form a line and make it plain. There should not be any toner powder left. If there is any left, you scratch that and remove that toner particles. Now I want to compare two blades. See that blade. The blade transparent area should be straight. It should not bend, because if it bends, then the toner will come outside. It will leak. That's why if there is any bend in that, you should change this doctor blade. Now open this toner powder. You pour the toner powder inside that half of that toner cartridge, inside that hole. You spread it evenly. After pouring the toner, you rotate that side gear so that all the toners will evenly settle at the bottom. Now you have to place that Mac roller in that half of the toner. Now remove the gear in both the ends of the Mac roller. Now clean it with a cloth, or if you have any blower, clean it. Then you place again that side gears in both sides of that Mac roller. Clean that gear with a cloth or any blower to remove the toner powder. Now place that Dr. blade and screw that Dr. blade in the half of that toner cartridge. Don't forget to screw them both the ends. Now after screwing that, you place that magnetic roller by inserting that in the hole in one side of the toner. You do that as shown in that picture. Now you are seeing that other side of that toner. The Mac roller and the inside hole of that cap, there is two flat part of that circle. You have to attach that side part accordingly without damaging that magnetic rod. Now screw that cap of that half of the toner. Now rotate that Mac roller to find whether any lines are there in that magnetic roller or any powder is coming out of that toner. Now bring the two halves face to face as shown in that video. You insert that both the ends in the holes as shown in that video so that it will match that same size. The spring has to be straight as shown in that picture in both the ends. Holes in both the halves should match in that so that we can insert that knob inside that toner cartridge. You have to do it both the ends. This is one type of compatible cartridge. The original cartridge and this compatible cartridge are similar. Screw type cartridges. Now we have to remove that screw in that side of that cartridge and remove that cap. You have one spring, I will show you in later part of that video. You have to fix according to the letter clip. You have to fix that spring in that side cap like this. Now take the toner, you move both the halves of the toner in the reverse direction to and fro so that it will get detached and the halves will be separated. The intermediate part is in the previous clip. Now this part is attaching both that halves inside the two bottom edges inside the hole of that toner. Other half as shown in that video. Now align one edge of half of the toner to another hole of another half of the toner and push it backwards as shown. Now in the reverse side, the spring has come out. You have to correct that and make it straight. The other side also you have to make the spring straight. Now we go to attach the side cap. The spring has to be fixed as shown in the video because it controls the cap of that toner. It automatically closes the toner. Now you attach that cap in the side as shown of the toner cartridge. Now turn the toner. The other side of the spring has to be brought back and it has to be placed on the toner cap. Now the toner cap is automatically closing. Now you screw both ends of that toner cartridge. Now the toner is ready to use. Now you can take a clean printout with the help of the toner. If you have 8 lines like this shown in the picture, then you have to change the charge roller, and if you have 8 continuous dots in either side of the page, you have to change or clean charge roller. You have to change drum when there is dull, and you have to change both drum and blade when there is these types of single line or some black shade in the left hand corner, right hand corner or in the middle. And the third one is that you have to change Dr. blade when there is a black shade in any part of the page, and you have to change Mac roller when there is alternate 8 black shades in the any part of the page or invisible part throughout the page in a straight line. Refilling will cost you between 80 rupees to 150 rupees or 1 to 1.5 US dollars depending upon the quality of the toner powder. And you can save thousands of rupees if you are buying original toner. If you are buying compatible, you will save a minimum 400 rupees by doing refilling. The toner is heavily damaged and the printout is bad. Change the toner or you buy compatible. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel Kannan Karnataka Vlog.